there, Connies! Welcome back to Ma'amCon's TV. So, again, it's cooking time with Ma'amCon. And what are we going to cook? So, let's cook carbonara. Sometimes, we wanted to cook, but we didn't know the proper ways or procedures on how to cook a menu. Well, I just explored it and tried it. Disclaimer, I am not a chef, I am not a cook, but I can cook. Let's do it! First thing to do, of course, you have to buy and prepare all the ingredients needed. Remember that the ingredients that you have to prepare is depending on the number of serving you're planning. So what are the ingredients? 10 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 white onion chopped, 1 pack of ham chopped, half pack of bacon chopped, 1 can of mushroom, Parmesan cheese, 4 all-purpose cream, 1 kilo spaghetti pasta. When the ingredients are all prepared, we're now ready for cooking. So let's cook first the sauce. Fry first the bacon. Next, then fry the ham. Saute garlic. Then saute white onion. Followed by mushroom. Add pork cubes. Then add all-purpose cream. Let it boil. Add fried bacon, add the fried ham, add granulated seasoning, and add Parmesan cheese. Wait until it is ready. Now that we're already done with the sauce, so let's do now the pasta. For the pasta, boil water with cooking oil and right amount of salt. When it boils, add the pasta and wait until it's ready. Pasta is now ready! Okay, that's it! So I hope you guys have learned a lot on my cooking session. So once again, this is Ma'amCon, and please do subscribe on my channel, Ma'amCon's TV. See you guys again on my next cooking session. Thank you for watching and goodbye!